What's up, guys? This is about Chauncey Real, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different on my YouTube channel today. Most of you guys already know that I'm a street fighter. Today we're not gonna be doing MMA video. We're not gonna be doing video game. So what we're bringing today is something I do on the side. I just started doing, which is investing with Robinhood account. For the past 3 months, I've been investing. But before I started, I did my research. I did a lot of research about it. So I'm going to be letting you guys know how I went from having 0 to 3,000 in 3 months. But before we start this video, let's go ahead and play the disclaimer real quick. Listen to me. I am not no pro investor. I don't do this for a living, and I just been doing this for 3 months. Alright? Secondly, I am not a finance major in college. I'm an IT major in college. Third, like I said, I've been doing this for 3 months. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys how I went from having 0 to 3,000 in 3 months. Let's do it. Okay. Alright, so now you guys are looking at my Robinhood portfolio right now. I'm going to tell you guys how it went from, oh shit. Alright, I just saw something very, very interesting just and that's why I said, oh shit. Alright. So, but before I started investing, I went ahead and did some research about Robinhood account because for 2021, I wanted to do something different. I always been broke. I never had money. So, I got lucky and I had $1,000 in my account that I saved up. And it made no sense for me to leave the $1,000 in my saving account because it wasn't going to grow over a period of time. So I was like, instead of me laying it just sitting in my saving account, I'm going to try to do something different. So what I want to do is I took a month to do research about Robinhood accounts. I asked a lot of my friends who do investing, and I got feedback from all of them, and a lot of them tell me something different, and I just picked what I wanted to what I already thought was interesting, and that's what I took in for knowledge. So my first 1,000. This time I'm gonna tell you guys how these stocks I bought with it. So with me having no knowledge about investing, and I watched a lot of videos about it, one thing I really learned is that when you start investing, it's not good to put all your money into one stocks. That was one thing I really took into consideration. I had to. So when I did that, when I had my first $1,000, you guys can see these. I think these are the first. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I think these are the first 7 stocks I bought for my investment with the $1,000. So I went ahead. All right, let's look into this. A lot of these stocks I don't even know about them. The only reason I bought them is I went on YouTube and I look up best stock of this month, and then I saw a ton of video on it. That's how I do my research. And then the next month when I said best stocks of December, and I saw a lot of YouTubers just they do the research for me, and I watch the videos, and I make my decision. That's how I spend my $1,000. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna go to my Tesla. So a little backstory about my Tesla account. My Tesla stocks. When I bought the Tesla stocks, I bought it at 400. When it comes down, you see, yeah, I bought it at 400, 450. And when it kept on going up and down, I got scared, I was like, damn, I'm about to lose money. But that's the thing about investing is you have to be willing to lose money. And every time you see a stock goes down, you can't be too quick to sell it. That used to be me first. I'd be like, damn, I'll be scared now. I'll call my friend, like, yo, the Tesla stocks is down. What do I do? He better not leave it, bro. It's going to go back up. Because I was a very new investor. So I was like, all right, cool. So I left it there. And Tesla just started going up and up and up. And right now, they jeans are $768, bro. And it's been 3 months, bro. Look, all right, see? 1 week, it went up $69. 1 month, it went up $151. 3 months, $345, bruh. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, you just gotta like be patient, bruh. And you don't even have to start with $1,000 to invest. For example, I'm gonna go to one of my stocks. I bought for like 30 cents. Man, you know what? That's gonna be a different video. But yeah, like the stock market been crazy right now. And I'm just blessed, man. And right now, you guys see we're like at 342. But the thing is, at the end of this today, I feel like it's gonna drop, because that's how the stock market is. Like, it goes up, it drop, it goes up, it drop. And right now, I'm gonna take you guys into my portfolio. I'm gonna let you guys see what I got. So these are other stocks. If you look up on the right over here, these are other stocks I own. Yeah, I own a lot. Yeah, I own a lot of stocks. And then I'm gonna show you guys my list. See the name alright, so this is my first list. I just add so many stocks to it, right? And then let's come over here. Where did Jan in there? Uber. Well, yeah, you see that over here, I need one of these stock like watch out. So these are like, every time I put back, keep my eyes on to see if it's going up and going down. Like, I be praying for stocks to go down. Let's just say like, one of the stocks I really want to buy more of is this stock TTCF, Tattoo Chef. So I bought this stocks at, I think I bought it at 14, and then later on I bought it at 19 again. So this stock, I feel like it's gonna keep going up and keep going up and keep going up. So right now I'm praying for it to like drop back down to $20, and so I can buy more shares of it. Cause right now I only have like 5.2 shares, and I need to have like at least 20 or 30 shares of this. So if you're out there and you're trying to like invest, this why I'll tell you, do not be scared to invest. You're gonna lose money, you're gonna gain money. But if you're gonna be an investor, I advise you to be like a passive investor. Just buy stocks, buy a lot of stocks, and just like sit in there, and every month just keep buying more and let it sit in there, let it sit in there, let it sit in there, and over a period of time it's gonna grow. You're not gonna get rich tomorrow, you're not gonna get rich in the next year. It's gonna take time for you to get rich. Good thing again about investing with Robinhood, you can like sell your stocks without any fees. You can sell stocks and transfer money right back into your bank account. It's very easy. And if you guys want to get started, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And also I'm going to leave a link in the comment section below. So all you have to do is like hit that link and create an account and start investing today. You can start investing with $30 or $50. And once you're gonna start investing with $30 or $50, I'm gonna tell you guys stocks to buy. I'm gonna show you guys the stocks to buy right now. Okay, alright, see this stock? It's called Ukigen. I bought this stocks for 30 cents. I bought 50 shares. You see right over here? 50 shares. I bought it for 30 cents. And right now, it's been 3 months. How much I got in return? I got $118 in return. But right today, it's down. But it's going to go back up. How did I buy this stock? I mean, it was 30 cents. So I was at 30 cents. Ready? I would just buy 50 of it. And that's how much I paid for it. And it cost me $14.82, bruh. And now my market value is $133. My profit is $118. So it's like, you can start investing with $50, you can start investing with $30, you can start just go for the lower stocks. Don't put all your money in one bucket. And take your time. If you have any questions, man, feel free to add me on social media. And let's get it, man. Also, this is something I'm about to start doing because this year, I want to hit double digit by the end of this year. I add money to my stocks all the time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me and like follow my journey of investing. So today, right now, like 2021, we're starting with 30,000. We gained 30,000 in the past 3 months. So from now to the end of December, we're gonna see how much we gain over the years. And if you want to do that with me, let me know, man. Add me on social media. And I don't mind like telling you like what stocks to buy, showing you like my portfolio. I don't care about all them stuff. Just make sure you hit that like for me, man. And yo, let's get this money, man. 2021. Feel me? Make sure you hit that like, leave a comment down below. This is not something, I don't know a lot about this. I'm just doing it to do something different and change my life. So I encourage you to do it. I'm not telling you, I'm not a professor for this stuff. I'm just encouraging you to start investing today. So hit that link in the comment section below or in the description box below and start investing today, man. And once you do that, you're gonna get a free stocks. So do that and let's get this money, man. 0 to 3,000 in 30 months.